It's really easy to move furniture in your dining room, but it's certainly not easy to move a ceiling light. The easiest thing to do would be to buy a new light with a chain so you can swag it wherever you want. But what if you really like your light? What would you do? I started by figuring out how far I needed to move the light, and then I took it down to assess the situation. This electrical box in the ceiling is dead center in the room, but it's about 13 inches away from the desired location indicated by that big piece of blue tape. The little pieces of tape mark the ceiling joists. One option is to move the electrical box in the ceiling, but that would be a big mess with sanding and repainting the drywall. So instead, I bought a sheet of 3/4 inch MDF, that's medium density fiberboard, and created a compass with my router to cut a 30-inch circle that would become a ceiling medallion.
Look at that. We'll clean up, put an edge on it. It'll be great.
MDF isn't the smoothest finish when you look up close, but it's fine from a distance. The magic of this medallion is in the channel on the back that will hide the wires. I used an awl to confirm the ceiling joists and used a laser level to make sure I could see them during installation. I used a countersink drill bit to drill pilot holes that lined up with the joists. I attached a short length of wire to the ceiling box and screwed the medallion into the joists with 2.5-inch screws. I attached the mounting plate and filled the screw holes with spackle before attaching the light. Now the light is centered over the table in both directions and it looks beautiful.